Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. One question that I always get is how to read 5x faster or how to read 10x faster. सबसे तेज बुक्स कैसे पढ़े, सबसे ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेशन से बुक्स कैसे पढ़े. सो इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ 5 टिप्स बताने वाला हूँ जो आपको हेल्प करेगी to read books 5x faster or to read books 10x faster. Well, practically it is not possible to read 5x faster or 10x faster. It's just a clickbait title that I used, so you can watch this video, and if you are able to increase your speed by even if 10%, that's more than enough. I mean, if you can increase 10% over the period of time, that's absolutely incredible. So last 2-3 years में मैंने बहुत सारी बुक्स पढ़ी है, स्पीड रीडिंग पे भी बुक्स पढ़ी है, and there are few things I realized that how to increase your speed little bit. I mean, you have to go step by step, but there are 5 steps that will help you to increase your speed. So let's get into the video. First tip that I want to give you is either use pen or either use your finger while reading the book if you are reading the physical book, because see, if you try to focus, अगर आप सीधा focus करते हो book के, then you don't have to your focus will like area पे focus होता है, this area, this area, this area. But when you pinpoint the finger, like just to look into my eyes, like if I say I have to move my eyes from the right to the left, like it will stop, it will look like this. But when I move my finger like this, then it will go smoothly. Like try to focus on my eyes again, it will go very smoothly. So whenever reading the book and when you use the finger on plate, then your eyes moves very smoothly, and the faster you move your finger, the more faster you can read. So by this method you can increase the speed of the reading and you can read the more books. The second method that I use for the reading to the faster, it's not exactly the faster reading के लिए, but basically ज़्यादा books पढ़ने के लिए, that is always keep a book near you. Like I always have 1 or 2 books that is always near me, either one fiction or one non-fiction book. हमेशा मैं अपने पास रखता हूँ if I am working from the home और मेरे वर्क लोकेशन पे और whatever the I mean near to my bed. Like बेड के पास usually Kindle होता है, but other than that different places I always keep a book. So whenever I get a free time, like while editing this video, then I get some free time in between, I try to pick up any page and I try to read that book. So by this method you can read more and more books. That's the another way where you can read faster, not exactly the faster, but where you can read more books in less time. The third tip, which is I realized in the last year, no, probably 2019, is having a Kindle. Having a Kindle can literally change your life. Believe me, you don't have like unless you use your Kindle, you will never realize the power of Kindle. It's not I hate physical copies or I hate reading books on the physical books, but I really like reading on the Kindle, because Kindle you don't have to always have the light, you don't have to focus on the lightning hamesha, because it will not give the strain to the eyes, and you can read in many ways. You can read in the dark mode, you can read in the light mode. If it doesn't the night, it doesn't matter. अगर आप रात में पढ़ रहे हो, दिन में पढ़ रहे हो, it doesn't matter. And you can store as many books as you can. I mean 100 books आप एक टाइम पे आप store definitely कर सकते हो. So there are so many benefits of reading. I realized that when I started reading on the Kindle, you can read at least 2x 3x faster as compared to the physical copy, because आपको हाथ में पकड़ना होता है. Light should be on the pages, like so many factors are there. But when you have the Kindle, you don't have to do so many things. You just start reading the book, and you can start reading on the Kindle and you can finish more and more books. The fourth tip I realized is shifting to audiobooks. In 2020, before the lockdown, I started listening to the audiobooks, and that literally changed my life. If I am reading the fiction books, I try to go with the audiobooks, because that helps me to focus, that helps me to understand the story, because someone is doing the hard work of reading for you. That is a basic concept of the audiobooks, and audiobooks is going to change your life. Believe me. Obviously it's hard to concentrate on the audiobooks at the first, but check out this video. How to start listening to the audiobooks. I have shared everything in that video. So try to focus on the audiobooks, and if you can pick up the audiobooks, then believe me, from 1x speed to the 2x speed, it won't take much time to shift from 1x speed to the 2x speed. Most of you guys watch my videos on 1.5x speed or 1.25x speed. Just the same way you have to do with the audiobook, but it takes time to concentrate. But try to do it, and that will help you to read book much faster. And the last tip that I want to give is reading in mind, or we call it as a subvocalization. So if you try to read aloud, then there are high chances that your speed is going to reduce a lot. like you are reading the book but you are not understanding the concept in your mind. That is called subvocalization also, or visualization also, or reading in mind also. So try to, whenever you are reading the book, try to read the lines in your mind rather than reading in your lips or reading in your tongue, near to the tongue. Try to keep it this area stable and try to read everything either through the brain or either through the visualization. So by this method you can read the books 5x faster, or you can pick up the books 5x faster, and you can finish so many books. These are the few tips that I personally use, from 1 to 5 tips. All the tips I use in my real life, and that changed my life, and I able to finish so many books. So if you are looking for the Kindle, then make sure you check out the link in the description. I will put the link, and that will help you to buy the Kindle at some discounted price probably. Or if you are looking for the audiobooks, there is a link in the description. You can get the 90 days free trial, and you can start understanding the how to listen to the audiobooks. Start with the regional language, then shift to the English language. So these are the tips that I use in my real life. So if you want to understand the audiobooks or how to start with the audiobooks, check out this video where I shared a step-by-step guide how to start with the audiobooks. And if you are looking for the books that will help you to, or the book recommendation, check out this playlist where I shared all the book recommendation playlists that will help you to pick up the next book. So that's all for the today's video. See you in the next one.